Hi, I'm Beth Laws, a Varonis technical consultant here at Somerford Associates. Compliance with GDPR is a top priority for many of our customers, and Varonis provides several features which can support businesses with their compliance. Varonis offers a specific GDPR dashboard, which summarises just how much of your data within the organisation is subject to this regulation. It allows you to see just how many of your files and folders contain GDPR information, and very importantly, what percentage of these are open and accessible to anyone in the organisation. The Varonis Data Classification Engine is able to determine whether the content of your files is sensitive or not. It's able to determine what type of sensitive information is held within your environment and is then able to classify whether the data is GDPR or subject to many other regulations. Varonis uses string matches, regular expressions, proximity sensing, and up-to-date dictionaries to be able to detect specific content patterns within your data. For example, Varonis is able to identify things such as national insurance numbers, credit card numbers, or even vehicle registrations. There are many predefined rules already enabled to help classify your information, but it's also possible to make your own rules or patterns. This could be useful for an organisation if there's a requirement to identify business-specific information, such as employee codes or product numbers. Varonis can tell you exactly where this sensitive data lives, and more importantly when it comes to GDPR, who has access to that data. Varonis can also assist with the remediation of permissions to ensure only the right people have access to what they're supposed to, which is crucial when it comes to GDPR, as this information should not be accessed by anyone who does not have this requirement. Varonis can help to sustain the secure state of your environment, helping to maintain your GDPR compliance with the Varonis Data Transport Engine. It's easy to set up rules to regularly move any sensitive data to a more secure location within your data stores. As an example, if an employee were to accidentally save some GDPR data to a directory which is accessed by multiple departments, Varonis can move this to a more secure quarantine location with stricter access controls. Under GDPR, it's possible for an individual to request to know what information you have stored on them. These are known as data subject access requests. In addition to this, individuals also have the right to ask for any of this information to be deleted. DatAnswers gives you the ability to search easily across your data stores, allowing you to quickly identify any files containing data on this person, and even gives you the option to copy these files to a certain location to allow you to review these documents more thoroughly. If you have any questions or would like to find out more, please feel free to contact us at info@somerfordassociates.com.